time is it?
It's Jeep time.
All right. If there was a competition for Aaron down, I won. He lost. Okay. 3 pros, 3 cons for manual versus automatic. I don't really care if we group them all together. Just, you got a pro?
Yeah, my first pro is I can crawl with mine. I can go down to that really low gear, especially with the 4-to-1. That helps a lot. But if you have your transfer case with the 5-speed or such, you can still go probably lower than yours. That's my pro. Do you want to say my con right now?
Yeah, go ahead.
My con is the Jeep doesn't choose the gear for me off-road.
All right, my pro is that I don't have a clutch. Con, my biggest con, this is my number 1 con out on the trail, that I can't just put it in a gear and putt down the trail. I actually have to ride the brakes.
He doesn't need it.
There you go. He's free. So, my pro is that when I'm climbing up something, I don't have to worry about feathering the clutch and giving it gas and all that. I just 2 feet, where one on the brake, one on the gas, I'm up. My con is that the transmission builds a lot of heat, temperature from the transmission. He just walks right up and in. Your pro?
My pro is that I don't have to use any feet when I'm driving up an obstacle like that.
Because of your combination.
No, I don't have to use any feet.
Because of your combination.
Right.
Okay.
The 6-speed with the 4-to-1, don't have to use any feet. So,
okay.
Now, obviously, if I have to accelerate a little bit, then I do. I don't have to very rarely use the brake, and if I get in a weird position, I just throw it in reverse, back up, and then do it again.
Okay, what's a con?
A con. I don't know. There's not very many cons. I'm pretty happy with it off-road. On-road, the acceleration...
This is the truth channel. He's got to be truthful.
On-road, the acceleration's not out of fast.
No,
I'm getting out of cons here.
You gotta have a con.
Sometimes off-road not knowing which gear to choose. Very rarely happens, but I'm very happy with it.
Okay, that's good con. That's good con.
So...
Okay, yeah, you went directly over the rock. Good. Straight ahead. Yep, you're good to go. Straight ahead. Got a lot of people out here. I wasn't here. You said you were here last Labor Day?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't remember that, but got a bunch of people here. Now, you said you saw a bunch of Volkswagen Beetles?
No, not Beetles. I don't know the name of them. They look like it looks like a Beetle.
Okay. The newer ones?
An oversized Beetle.
Okay. We'll check them out. What they are.
I don't know.
I didn't see them. So, yeah. So I got my 2 last. Let me switch this over. I got my 2 last pros. I mean, my last pro and my last con. My pro is that I can let anybody drive this.
Right.
Okay, so I think my biggest, okay, It's not my biggest con, because the heat is my biggest con. No,
Yeah.
shoot, I got like 3 cons, big ones. I got overheating. This thing pulls all the time going down a trail, and I'm going to mention the last one. It's boring to drive. So his 6-speed manual's fun. So that is what it is. Here, before you do your damage.
I'm not gonna do no damage.
Seriously.
So this guy, he's out here on the backside of Daniel, and we're checking his rig out. He's got a lot of good parts on here. 97 TJ, he's got a 6-liter LS. Easy. Tripping over some rocks here. Yeah. Got the generates on it.
Me without nutcase.
Alright, I like this guy. He's a pretty cool guy. We're gonna hook up sometime and wheel with him.
I know you like mine better because ours is bigger.
Oh, yours is bigger?
Yeah.
I guarantee you. He's already talking smack, so he's definitely gonna get in 4-wheel drive. Your last pro.
It's fun to drive.
You got your last con?
But there's 6 speeds.
That's good enough. Easy. Really enjoyed talking with David there. I think that was his name. Cool guy. Go straight. You're good. You're good. Hold your mirror. Straight. Cool. Yeah. So we were just talking about dialing a Jeep in, and you can't, you know, as opposed to just putting stuff on and coming out and thinking that you can have it instantly. What?
A little bit of rash.
On what? The wheel?
Rim.
From right there?
Yeah. Hit the rock, the tree.
Well, I guess so.
Hurt it real bad? Ouch.
See if it comes off.
No.
Alright, I think we're done here with this video, aren't we?
Hopefully.
Yeah, I think we are. Had fun. No, yeah, I think you can just take a little polish and hit it. It'll come right off. It's bark, so.
Yeah.
Did it? So, all right. See yous.